script. Hello and welcome, dear viewers, to a new journey of learning and earning. We're here to unravel the mysteries of the Amazon affiliate program. So what is the Amazon affiliate program, you ask? Well, in simple terms, it's a marketing program that allows you to earn commission by promoting Amazon products. You recommend a product, provide a link to purchase it on Amazon, and voila, you earn a percentage of the sale when someone makes a purchase through your link. Sounds simple, right? But that's just the tip of the iceberg. The beauty of the Amazon affiliate program, also known as Amazon Associates, lies in its simplicity and accessibility. You don't need to be a sales guru or a tech whiz to join. Whether you're a blogger, a content creator, a small business owner, or simply someone with a knack for online marketing, the program is an open door to earning additional income. But why Amazon, you might wonder? Well, it's one of the largest and most trusted online marketplaces in the world. When you recommend a product from Amazon, you're not just banking on the product's quality, but also Amazon's reputation. That's a win-win for you and your audience. Moreover, the Amazon affiliate program is a popular choice among online entrepreneurs due to its vast product range. With millions of products across diverse categories, you can always find something relevant to promote, no matter what your niche is. And the best part? You earn a commission on not just the product you recommended, but on all purchases the customer makes during their shopping session, making it a truly rewarding program. And let's not forget the support and resources provided by Amazon. From tracking tools to promotional assets, Amazon has you covered, helping you maximize your earnings and grow your affiliate business. So, are you ready to discover the potential of this program? Stay tuned as we delve deeper. Now that we understand what the Amazon affiliate program is, it's time to kickstart your journey by setting up your own affiliate account. First off, you'll need to head to the Amazon Associates homepage. Once there, look for the Join Now for Free button. This will take you to the sign-up page where you'll be asked to log in to your existing Amazon account. If you don't have one, don't worry. You can create a new account right there and then. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to a 5-step account creation process. Step 1 is to enter the name of your website or mobile app. If you have more than one, you can add them all here. Remember, Amazon needs to know where you'll be promoting their products. Step 2 is all about your preferences. This is where you'll select the topics and categories that best describe your website or app. It's crucial to be as accurate as possible because this information helps Amazon suggest products that are relevant to your audience. In step 3, you'll describe how you drive traffic to your website. Do you use SEO, paid search, social networks? Let Amazon know. Step 4 is about monetization. Here, you'll tell Amazon how you currently monetize your site. Do you use other affiliate programs, display ads, or is this your first foray into monetization? Finally, step 5 is where you'll enter your phone number. You'll receive a call from Amazon for a quick verification process. Once verified, you can click Finish to complete your registration. After these steps, you'll be directed to your dashboard, where you can start exploring and familiarizing yourself with the interface. You'll also be given a unique associate ID. This ID is crucial as it will be used to track all the sales coming from your website or app. As a new member, you'll have a grace period of 180 days to make your first sale. If you don't make a sale within this period, your account will be closed, but you can always reapply. Congratulations, you are now a member of the Amazon affiliate program. Let's move ahead to understand how you can make the most out of this association. Great! With your account ready, it's time to dive into the heart of the program, the Amazon affiliate links. Now you might be wondering, what exactly are Amazon affiliate links? Simply put, these are unique URLs given to you by Amazon once you join their affiliate program. Each link is tied to a specific product on Amazon's site. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's like being a virtual salesman, only you don't have to do any of the shipping or customer service. So, how do you generate these links? Well, once you're logged into your Amazon affiliate account, you can easily search for products within the platform. Once you've found a product that you'd like to promote, you simply click on the Get Link button. This will generate a unique URL that you can use on your website or blog. But wait, there's a bit more to it than just pasting the link onto your site. You see, it's all about how you present these links to your audience. You could write a blog post reviewing the product or perhaps create a top 10 list featuring the item. The key is to make your content engaging and informative, so people will want to click on your link. It's also important to remember that Amazon tracks the sales made through your affiliate links for a period of 24 hours. This means that even if a customer doesn't buy the specific product linked but purchases something else on Amazon within that time frame, you still get a commission. Now there's a whole world of strategies and tactics on how to effectively use your Amazon affiliate links, but we'll dive into that in the next scene. To sum up, Amazon affiliate links are your bread and butter in the Amazon affiliate program. They are the bridge between your content and earning commissions, connecting your audience to Amazon's vast product catalog. Remember, these links are your key to earning commissions, so use them wisely. Having affiliate links is one thing, but knowing how to use them effectively is another. Let's discuss some strategies for promoting products. First off, content is king. Creating high-quality, engaging content about the products you're promoting can significantly boost your success. Whether it's a detailed blog post, a tutorial video, or a compelling product review, the key is to provide value to your audience. That way, they're more likely to trust your recommendations and click on your affiliate links. Next, social media can be a powerful tool for promoting Amazon products. Utilize platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest to reach a wider audience. But remember, don't just post links. Engage with your followers, answer their queries, and build a community around your brand. Email marketing is another effective strategy. By building an email list, you can send your audience regular updates about new products, special deals, or useful tips. Personalization is crucial here. Tailor your messages to your audience's interests and needs. Don't forget about SEO or search engine optimization. By optimizing your content with relevant keywords, you can improve your visibility on search engines, attracting more visitors to your site and increasing the potential for affiliate sales. Moreover, consider running promotions or giveaways. This can create excitement around the products you're promoting and encourage more clicks on your affiliate links. It's also important to choose the right products to promote. Understand your audience, their needs, and their interests. Promote products that are relevant to your content and your audience. Lastly, always track and analyze your results. This will allow you to understand what's working, what's not, and how you can improve your strategies. Use tools like Google Analytics or Amazon's own analytics to monitor your performance. Remember, the right strategy can make all the difference, so take the time to plan and execute your promotion effectively. You've done the work, promoted the products, and now it's time to reap the rewards. Let's talk about earning and receiving commissions. In the Amazon affiliate program, your earning potential is directly tied to the commission structure. This structure is based on the category of products you promote. For instance, luxury beauty items can earn you a 10% commission, while video games and consoles offer a 1% commission. It's always key to know your product categories and the corresponding commission rates. Now, how do you earn these commissions? Simple. When a customer, through your affiliate link, purchases a product, you earn a commission. It's important to note that you get a commission not only for the product you directly promoted, but also for any other product the customer buys during that session. But what about returned items, you may ask? Well, if a customer returns a product, the commission earned on that sale will be deducted from your account. So it's always good practice to promote products with a low return rate. Moving on to the exciting part, receiving your hard-earned money. Amazon pays its affiliates approximately 60 days following the end of each calendar month. However, there are 3 payment methods: direct deposit, Amazon gift card, or check. Direct deposit is available for affiliates with a bank account in the United States or in select countries outside the US. If you choose the Amazon gift card option, the card will be loaded into your Amazon account. And if you opt for a check, a $25 processing fee will be deducted. Remember, to get paid, you need to meet the minimum payment threshold. For direct deposit and Amazon gift card, it's $10. For checks, it's $100. If you don't meet the threshold in a given month, your earnings roll over to the next month, and that's how you earn and receive your hard-earned money. Isn't it exciting? To wrap things up, we're going to share some essential tips that can help you succeed in the Amazon affiliate program. Let's dive right in. Firstly, understanding search engine optimization or SEO is crucial. SEO is the practice of optimizing your website or blog to make it more visible in search engine results. This could mean incorporating relevant keywords into your content, ensuring your website is mobile-friendly, or even using meta tags. When people search for products that you're promoting, your SEO efforts can help your content appear in their search results, driving more traffic to your site. Secondly, creating quality content is key. It's not enough to just slap some affiliate links onto a poorly written blog post or video description. Your content should be engaging, informative, and valuable to your audience. If your audience trusts your content, they're more likely to trust your product recommendations as well. So take the time to create high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Thirdly, don't underestimate the power of a well-placed call to action. Encourage your audience to click on your affiliate links with compelling calls to action. You can say something like, "Click the link in the description to get this amazing product today." Next, make sure you're promoting products that are relevant to your niche. If you run a tech blog, for example, promoting gardening tools might not resonate with your audience. Stick to products that align with your content and your audience's interests. Finally, regularly track your performance. Amazon provides detailed reports that let you see which products are selling well, which ones aren't, and how much commission you're earning. Use this data to adjust your strategy as needed. With these tips in your arsenal, you're well equipped to make the most out of the Amazon affiliate program. And there we have it, a comprehensive guide to getting started with the Amazon affiliate program. We've covered an extensive range of topics, from setting up your Amazon affiliate account to understanding how to use affiliate links effectively. We've also delved into strategies for promoting products and how to earn and receive commissions. Remember, the key to success in this program lies in strategic promotion and consistent tracking of your performance. It's crucial to stay up to date with Amazon's policies and to continuously adapt your strategies to maximize your earnings. We also shared some helpful tips for success, including the importance of choosing products relevant to your audience and the benefits of diversifying your promotional methods. In essence, the Amazon affiliate program offers a fantastic opportunity to generate passive income, provided you're willing to invest time and effort into it. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, happy earning.